Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you about the job opportunities for work from home and the job opportunities which you can do work from office as well. So there are multiple job opportunities which we will share with you. And before that, let me tell you about the new career guidance call that we have started on the TopMate. So if you're not getting interview calls, if your resume is not getting shortlisted, if you're confused about what should be your next steps with respect to getting a job or in your testing, or you want to learn anything from automation perspective, you can book a 30 minutes of 1:1 career guidance call with us, where I'll be personally helping you with the sort of solutions, answers that you would need to assist you to take your career to the next level. So now let me tell you about the job opportunities. So there are multiple remote jobs, and let me share all the jobs one by one. So first requirement is for a manual tester. So this is a requirement for the Hyderabad location, and the role is for the manual tester. Job location is Hyderabad. It's an on-site job. So they are looking for someone who can perform manual testing on web as well as mobile-based applications, understand the requirements and create test cases and test scenarios, execute test cases and report bugs clearly, work closely with developers and stakeholders to ensure quality, perform functional regression and sanity testing. So the requirements are given 1+ years of hands-on experience in functional testing, good understanding of SDLC, STLC, and here is the contact number provided wherein you can reach out to. Then another company which is hiring for immediate joiners, and they are looking for the roles across engineering, data, testing, and service now. So here are a few of the roles. So the roles are for developer level, senior test engineer with a skill set of REST API, Postman, AWS experience required is 5 to 10 years, data test engineer, a senior Salesforce engineer, then ServiceNow, senior developer, ServiceNow business analyst. So these are all the job opportunities, and here is a link wherein you can apply. Then EPAM is conducting a face-to-face drive in Pune and Bangalore on 8th of February for the skill sets below. So that is for Java automation testing. So experience required is 6 years to 10 years, and the notice period is 0 to 90 days. Skill set is Java UI automation, as you can see with Selenium, API automation, design patterns, CI/CD, and you can send your updated resume with the following details to the email address that is mentioned here. So you have to share your total experience, relevant experience, current CTC, expected CTC, current location, preferred location, and availability for face-to-face round. Then there's a requirement at Hexaware company. 6 positions are remaining. Immediate joiners are preferred. So the locations are Noida, Dehradun, Chennai, Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, and Coimbatore. So you can send your resume to this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for quality engineer, test management, and the location is Bangalore. And they are looking for someone who can do end-to-end test management, including planning, strategy, execution, and reporting, collaboration with delivery teams to ensure quality gates are met. And the required skill set is test management, delivery management, ALM, Jira, Zephyr, strong understanding of SDLC and STLC. Location is Bangalore. Experience required is relevant industry experience. So you can share your resume directly at this particular email address. Then there's a remote job opportunity for the role of manual QA tester, and you can drop your resumes at this particular email address. I'll be putting all the links as well as the emails, the email addresses, and the details in the first comment of the video so that it becomes easier for you to apply. Then WITS Innovation Lab is hiring for QA automation engineer, and they are looking for someone who has got 2+ years of experience with location as Mohali, and they are looking for the QA automation engineer with hands-on experience in test automation and quality assurance. So you can apply directly at this particular email address. Then there's a walk-in drive for testing roles across India. So if you have 5 to 12 years of experience in the skills like Playwright plus automation, ETL plus Python, Selenium plus Java, Guidewire plus automation. Then you can apply, and even performance testing is included here. So date is 7th of February, timings are 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. And these are all the locations provided, right? So these are the job opportunities for the freshers as well as for experience, and we shared work from home job opportunities with you. So apply over these particular job opportunities, and if you are stuck in your career, feel free to book a call for the career guidance on the top meet. We would be happy to assist you, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.